Okay, this is a 2003 Toyota Sequoia. The rear air was blowing, but not cold, and a little warm, not really too hot either. I removed this panel. Okay, loosen these, loosen this. Blend door actuator was stuck on the heat position. They don't offer it in my auto parts store. I didn't want to wait 2 weeks. I'll be ordering it, but I just wanted to do this for the meantime. So here it is. My blower was working. These two pipes were super hot, so that's for the heater core. This one down here, you pry this. You could test it by removing this door that's here without removing the panel to see if you're getting cold AC to the back. So I was getting cold AC. By touching this, it was cold. So I knew that it was a blend door issue, not an orifice tube or something else. So this door, this is broken too, but that's not the problem. So I'm going to keep this to block the heat portion. This is for the AC portion, for the cold. This door down, this is the heater core for back here. Underneath is for the AC. So what was happening was the blend door, or whatever that thing is back here. To access it, little screwdriver, because it's very tight. Remove these bolts holding this whole control unit. Gently pry towards you so that you could unscrew the two screws. 1, 2 that are holding this like this. Then I got another short flathead, and it's a little thick. I don't know if, you know, something this thin would work. I twisted that knob to the opposite position of what it was stuck, which mine was stuck at heat. So it was allowing all the hot coolant to run through here into this core. So I closed that door. So now only one tube is going to get hot, and it's going to stay here, and it won't heat this up. So now my cold air will come out to the passengers. So that was my problem. If you have the opposite problem, it's stuck on cold, and you're in a cold area, switch it to the other side, so you could always have heat. If you're in a place that you're going to use heat and air, or you just want to do it the right way, you could just order the piece first, so you don't have to do it twice, and replace it.